Hey, what's wrong, buddy? You look like you need a change in your life. You got that right. I feel like I'm stuck in a rut. Well, have you heard of the journaling exercise that can change your life? Oh, great. Writing my diary like a middle schooler. Just what I needed. No, no, no. It's not your typical Dear Diary situation. It's called Strategy Pages, and it's all about achieving your long term goals. I don't know, man. Sounds like a lot of work. Trust me, it's worth it. Imagine finally achieving that goal that's been nagging at you for months, or even years. That feeling of accomplishment is priceless. Alright, fine. I'll give it a shot. But if it doesn't work, I'm blaming you. Deal. Let's change your life. One page at a time. What's going on? It's your boy, Lewis Hoffa Show. You know how we do. And today we're talking about a journal exercise that can change your life. Yes, you heard me right. Journaling? That's just for people who like to write in their diaries. But trust me, this exercise is not your typical Dear Diary situation like I mentioned. Now, I know some of you guys may be skeptical about the whole journaling thing. I mean, who has time to write down their feelings, right? I tried journaling once, but my cat kept trying to read it over my shoulder. But trust me, this exercise is worth it. Say you have a goal of losing weight, following the shreds for all your fitness needs, and you're following this diet plan, but your weight has not changed. Or even worse, it's gone up. Frustrating, right? So the first thing you write down is what's not working. It could be your diet, your exercise routine, or even your mindset. Just get it all out on paper. Oh, I know what's not working. It's my I'll just have one more slice mindset. Next, identify your barriers. What's stopping you from achieving your goal? Maybe it's time, money, or even other people. Write it all down, and then jot down 10 ideas per barrier. For example, if you're not losing weight despite going to the gym twice a week, try going 4 times a week. Or maybe instead of having 3 sodas a day, try having one. You get the idea. Alright, fine, but if one of my ideas is to hire a personal trainer to lift the pizza out of my hands, does that count? But wait, there's more. End your page with an affirmation and 3 habits you can implement right now. This could be something as simple as drinking more water or going for a walk after dinner. Now, I know what you're thinking. Lewis Hoffa Show, this sounds like a lot of work. Well, let me tell you, my friend, it's worth it. Imagine finally achieving that goal that's been nagging at you for months, or even years. The feeling of accomplishment is priceless. Oh boy, can't wait to spend all my free time journaling about how I still haven't found my soulmate yet. I challenge you to try this exercise. Remember, even if you feel skeptical like Mikey, this could be the change you need in your life. Comment below and let me know what goals you're working on that's taking you over a year to achieve. We all know what we need to do, so let's just go out there and just do it. And as always, let's get this bread. See you on the other side.